spinner blades. Got some of this paint. Kind of doctored them up a little. Just thought I'd try it. Why not? See what happens. I'll let them sit there. I just dipped them, man. Anyway. Okay, so 6 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. I decided to do a lower unit water pump on it because I don't think it was peeing. So basically you got 2 caps. They're grommets, right? Okay, you got to get a screwdriver in, kind of go past it, and then pry it out. That's how they'll come out. Then I'm going to take this off, just a cotter pin, and take off this, make sure there's no fishing line back there. And then we got, looks like an anode, flashlight. Looks like 10mm bolts, 2 of them right there. First we gotta take that off, which is, the bolt is on this side. If you can see it, if I can get it there. Where's that? See, there's the bolt. Take that bolt off, and that releases your clutch. It's in neutral. That's in neutral. So you put it on. Make sure that's right. And then we got a bolt right here, which appears to be just another 10mm. And that thing will slide down. And we can check the impeller in here. So I'm going to do that. Should be a pretty quick job, hoping. But we'll see. And I'll be back. Okay, got it off. It's pretty easy. You'll have to take that, it's a little piece. Goes onto the clutch. You'll have to take that off. So then we got these 4 bolts. Should be 10s. Yeah. You got a couple of dowel pins. So just so we don't lose them, just go ahead and pull them out. And then I'll set them over my thing. And then sorry if you didn't see that. I meant for you to see it. Basically, I just took my impact, ran these 4 bolts up, because I need to match up. This impeller is the one that I'm going to get. So I'm going to get an impeller kit for it. So this one doesn't have a washer or anything. Should be able to just maybe tap on it. Alright, and then there's a place in the back. Might be able to, oh, there it goes. A lot easier than I thought. Yeah. Well, there's that. Take a picture of that. That is gone. That's destroyed. So I'm going to grab my camera and do a real quick picture. So we did good by taking the impeller off. And we'll order one up. This may even have a number. I doubt it. I looked GFA5 maybe. Anyway, we'll have to buy a kit for that. Okay, so to pull the impeller off, you just slide it off the shaft, right? One thing you got to remember is you got a little bitty pin, and it goes right there in the front of your water pump. So in order to get this off, you got to take that out. So I'm gonna put that in my tray. Slide this off, and then we can look in here and we can see that most of the impeller luckily made it just to the inside cavity. Yeah, this one might be one where I gotta take off the shift shaft. She's pretty bad. Bummer. So take that off. Same thing. 10mm bolt wherever that went. Oh, I know where it is. It's right here. This bolt. And I'm gonna pop it loose because it's toast. Alright, so I guess all the video footage from the F6 impeller install, it just camera, I don't know, it got deleted. So but anyway, yeah, it goes back on the same way that it came off. You just got to put the pin down there, slide the impeller over the pin, put the 4 bolts back in, put your lower unit back on, put your bolts in it, and then put your bolt in the shift shaft and put the 2 plastic grommets back into place, and then that's pretty much done. So anyway, it's not too hard, it's really easy, and so yeah, if you like that and it helps you out, great, awesome. So it's really easy, and it should 9.9 should be the same way, probably all the way, maybe up to 15s. I don't know. I haven't done very many of these small ones, but you know, it's cool, man. It's done, and so please subscribe to my channel, and if you like what I'm doing, please hit the like button and comment. And you can also hit the bell notification, and you'll be notified whenever I have another video coming out. I guess it's the thing everybody says. Anyway, it's kind of a chilly day here today, so just kind of throwing some stuff out there, and hopefully you guys enjoy the content. And because I don't know, if you don't know how to do it, we can all learn from somebody else doing it. So anyway, have a great day. Have a great weekend.
I used to